you don't have to feel sorry for someone who's saying I'm ugly. It doesn't even do anything to me, that thing. But I'm just tired of you telling me, because you have been saying it every day. I'm asking myself a question. When you're saying it every day, that the same person with fake accounts, I'm not talking about my fans. My fans, they know I love myself, and for sure, if you really love me, you can tell. You can sense this person. She loves herself like that, and she has accepted herself. You don't have, even though you don't see that. When the same account is angry, my fans, they become shocked because they don't see that. They don't see this ugliness that you're talking about. Even me too. They become shocked. Even my boyfriend becomes shocked. Because they don't see that. All they see a beautiful lady in me. You know, and what, because of they're around me, they also see the humanity that I have to them. It makes me to be more beautiful to them. To my fans, they hear my music is nice. When I go to the shows, I give them fire performance. It makes them to see me. Mom.